You're dead, Mr. Davian. They're witnesses. That was you in the bathroom, right? I'm gonna ask you a couple questions about the product you've been after. Rabbit's foot. You have a wife, girlfriend. It's up to you how this goes. Because whoever she is, I'm gonna find her. Whoever she is, I'm gonna find her and I'm gonna hurt her. I'm gonna make her cry and bleed and shout out your name. And you're not gonna be able to do shit. You know why? Because you're gonna be this close to dead. And then I'm gonna kill you right in front of her. I'm gonna ask you one more time. What is your name? And who are you? You have no idea what this is about, do you? And you saw what I did to little boy in front of the factory, right? Well, that was nothing. That was fun. That was fun.